Service in Grand Junction has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Delta County in west central Colorado, central Mesa County in west central Colorado, until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:51 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles southeast of Grand Junction, moving east at 10 miles per hour. The storm was around 5 miles south of Whitewater. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of western Delta and central Mesa counties. This includes the following highways: due south. Highway 50 in Colorado between mile markers 45 and 53. Colorado 141 between mile markers 146 and 147. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.